Open the outer box and remove the protective frame on top. Take out the coffee machine and place it on a flat surface. Remove the outer packaging from the coffee machine and carafe. Take out the spoon inside the carafe. Remember to remove the screen protector before use. Open the cover to remove the filter and filter basket. Make sure you have received all the accessories. Wipe the warming plate and the exterior of the machine with a soft and damp cloth. Clean the carafe with a soft cloth or brush, then allow it to air dry or towel dry before reassembling. Open the machine cover. Align the filter basket and filter with the notches and insert them into place. Close the cover and put the carafe back onto the warming plate. Before first use, we recommend cleaning circulate for first use. Open the cover, then add clear water to the tank, ensuring it does not exceed the max line. Close the cover. Plug in the machine and press the on-off button to turn on the machine. Select the clean button, then press on-off to start the cleaning cycle. After the water stops flowing, pour it out. It is recommended to repeat the above steps at least twice. Now you can start to brew your coffee.